Hi. Today I'm playing with an AI. Yeah, today we are messing with an AI, but it isn't any ordinary AI. It is a sound/voice generation AI. I also have my mic in my face today, so I could talk like that. Or, hold on, sorry. One second. Alright guys, welcome back to the podcast. Okay, so how this AI generation thingy works is basically, it's either you can make it as a voice thing by typing it whatever, so like, let's do this, hi, my name, still can't type anyway, name is Nathan, generate speech.
Hi, my name is Nathan.
Easy. Pretty straightforward. I saw a video of someone just putting in random garbage and it making up the most random stuff, so I'm gonna set it to somebody. We got people who are like,
hey guys, here's just a more casual, kind of relaxed version of my voice, and I think it's great for conversational AI.
Nice. We are going to add to my voices. We're gonna use Mark. Mark seems like a really nice guy. And then basically what I saw was just people doing this. And letting the AI figure it out.
Akkurat ikke stikke a few hops of kuvi har sister. Jeg kalkuleres fies eller har 6 kvar SPV.
That's pretty darn good. Describe the sound effect and then click generate. Basically, you can use, and then you basically have it as like a set of sounds you can play. Intel sound, the dun 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 dun, that sound. We're gonna see what they think what Intel sound means. You can generate the sound. Alright, let's go. Ah! That was very loud. You can see why I wanted to make a video about this, because some stuff just sounds very strange. I turned OBS, you can't see it because I have it hidden right now. Where my mouse is, I turned the volume down for your viewing pleasure. You're welcome. I feel like it's a repeat from the beginning of the video where I just cranked the gain up and went, huh. Interesting. Okay. Awesome. That's that one. Let's move on to the next one. So is at 50%, more creative, more follow prompt. So Intel sound, we're going to make it 100% soundproof. We're going to set it to 5 seconds because it'll be more shorter and I get more tries of this. I mean, it doesn't matter. I could just switch to another Google account and do this again. Yes. It is a C. It's not wrong. I don't know what that was about. Wow, it sounds exactly like a middle C on the GarageBand piano. That's a train. I don't know what that was, and I don't want to know what that is. It sounds like something from the Nether. Okay, awesome. These are definitely Minecraft sounds. Okay, that literally sounded like someone getting up from a desk. Doesn't that sound like someone getting up from the desk and just walking away for no reason? Why are all of these just so loud? I don't think this is gonna be very calm if the Minecraft music is that, which Minecraft music's pretty calm. Nice. That was calming. Good. I am saving that. That is such a cool little transition. Do-do-do-do-do-do. If you're wearing headphones, you'd probably be able to tell by whoa, 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 just panning back and forth between each ear. It was really weird. What kind of chords? Alright, I don't know why I thought this was a great idea. Moving on. Someone talking about your extended warranty. Google, I swear if you start talking to me, I'm gonna be upset. Alright, let's hear someone talking about my extended warranty.
Och extended 9 warranty är just simply en 90 till rest about potter A to C en orbo hornbit straight edition warranty expanded to Austin rest future enter.
Great, that was definitely English.
And that's the honoring Whitney. Is testing with extra knowing never things. And
Okay, this one's worse somehow. What?
first thing, what one do you see? What one do you there's warranty?
What's warranty? Warranty? What's a warranty?
and just almost okay.
What did you say you were gonna do to me?
Almost okay.
What?
Something might just see. Boys, it's the Sigma governors.
What?
Sigma governors. It's the Sigma.
The Sigma? Did they just talk about the Sigma in my car's extended warranty? I don't think it's okay to talk about the Sigma in my extended warranty. I'm pretty sure that's the last thing I should hear about my extended warranty is the Sigma. Ma'am, I need you to speak up louder. My voice recorder doesn't pick up your gibberish. I need you to speak louder so I can hear your gibberish more clearly because all I hear is the damn electrical in the room being so loud. Come on, AI. I just need to hear extended and warranty. I haven't heard that single word once. So come on. Let's do this.
Your extended warranty. Your extended warranty signs of accented to warranty, the warranty. If you're rating to app saying
Yes? The extended warranty? Your warranty?
your extended warranty.
Yes.
Your extended warranty signs of accented to
Really?
warranty,
Yes.
to warranty,
Yes.
the warranty.
To warranty your warranty. This is what I'm talking about. You have to extend your warranty to your warranty.
Your warranty warrant your extend is Warren Einsenheim.
Does this sound like some news lady from like CNN? Your extended warranty is your warranty. So be your warranty. I'm Nathan from CNN.
No, what that one thing have to end warranty that you're so for trying to need that have
Let us sell your warranty.
Everybody Hayden, reading you somewhat the Sigma, not Sismo.
Oh no, these ones are gonna be weird. Did I just hear? Like, I'm hearing a dial tone. It was like in Morse code.
Are you behind whatever you think over again? You of the Sigma? All
What?
the Sigma. The Sigma? All of you. What the Sigma be betting?
What the Sigma be belly?
Use your word. Use your word.
Hello, Dylan. What the Sigma?
Oh my gosh, this is the clearest one so far.
Mother Dylan. What the Sigma? What the Sigma? What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
What the Sigma? I'm dying over here. Reimagined pizza theme from Spider-Man. That was cool. It sounds like, you know what it sounds like? It sounds like the introduction to like somewhat-ish, like the introduction to like a video game, like Dig Dug, the like that theme song. What the heck is going on? I feel like I'm playing Banjo-Kazooie or something. Country music. We're gonna get some of that country music, you know? And it can't be copyrighted, so YouTube can't take it down. YouTube, if you block this video for any sort of reason just because of the music, that is bad. That means your servers, your AI servers are bad. That was a sick guitar riff. Welcome to this old house. Let's move it to 10 seconds because I'm curious. I wonder if it'll come up with like a whole song or something. It feels like the end of every country song. Lo-fi country music. Lo-fi country music? Oh no, I just created a genre that didn't exist. I was about to say, is it gonna start playing the dun 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 dun? It was gonna be that one. I thought it was about to start playing that one. I'm like, huh? Yeah, that dun dun dun. It starts on the same chord.
To be continued, me song. To be continued, me song. Continue to me song. To be continued, me song.
What did I just listen to? What is this? What is happening right now? To keep beating me song. To be continued, me song.
I just me to become the song. There's a new like me. SB gone me song.
Okay, that's definitely a Mexican beat.
Hello Brianna Stage by a James Bond.
James Bond made whatever he said.
Hello Brianna Stage by a James Bond.
Hello. James Bond wrote a book apparently, because it was by him, I guess. I don't know. Yes. Mamma mia, this doesn't like some James Bond at all. That beginning sounded really good. That's the best one, and that one makes the most sense so far. Yes, understandable. Okay. Just testing something.
The 2001 Levy Doyle and that Levy form frat for
Frat? There was a frat in 2001? I bet there were many frats in 2001. Guys, I think I have to go. I think I have to go, guys. Someone upload this footage for me. Subscribe. There'll be more content. Subscribe.